Let us discuss a topic comparing quantities. In that, first exercise is 8.1. The first problem, find the ratio of the following. In that, the first we can measure the speed of the cycle 15 km per hour and to the speed of the scooter 30 km per hour. The second one 5 meter to 10 km. Third one 50 paise to 5 rupees. See here, scooter speed and cycle speed. First one, cycle speed, speed of cycle equal to 15 km per hour and the speed of scooter, it is equal to 30 km per hour. The ratio between scooter and cycle, that is cycle by scooter, speed of the cycle, speed of the scooter, 15 km per hour by 30 km per hour. Kilometer per hour cancel. 15 ones are 15 twos are, that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, ratio of scooter and cycle and scooter is 1:2. The ratio of cycle and scooter is 1:2. B is 1:2 or 1:2. Both are same only. Next, find out 5 meter to 10 kilometers. First, we can see the units. If the units are same, then we can divide one to another, we get the ratio. But if the units are not same, then we can convert into same units. We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. So, for 10 kilometer equal to 10 into 1000 meters. Here what is the ratio? Ratio of 5 meter by 10 kilometer. It is equal to 5 meter by 10 into kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 5 ones are 5 twos are. It is equal to meter and meter get cancelled. That is 1 by 2000. So ratio of 5 meter to 10 kilometer is equal to 1:2000. Third one, 50 paise to 5 rupees. 50 paise to 5 rupees. Both units are not same, so 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So ratio between 5 paise and 5 rupees equal to 5 paise by 5 into 100 paise. 5 ones are 5 ones are is equal to 50 paise to 5 rupees. 50 paise to 5 rupees. So 5 ones are 5 tens are, 10 ones are 10 tens are. It is equal to 1 by 10. Okay. Convert the following ratios to percentages. First one is 3:4. Second one is 2:3. The first one is convert the percentage means 3:4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 100. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20. 25 threes are, that is 75%. Percentage means we can multiply and divide with 100. This 100 will go as a percentage. 75 by 100, it is equal to, or if we can multiply and divide with 100, then we can cancel in the numerator. It's a 25 So 3 into 25 is 75. 75 by 100 can be written as 75%. Here also, second one, 2 by 3, it is equal to, convert into percentage means 2 by 3 into 100 by 100 is equal to 3 ones are 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9.33 like this. So by 100 into here 60, 2 threes are 6, 6, 6, 6. That is nothing but 66.66%. Or we can take 33, 66. It's enough, no need. 66.66%. It's a continuation. Okay, it's non-terminating. For percentage means just we can multiply and divide with 100. The division 100 goes to percentage. Third problem. 72% of 25 students are interested in mathematics. How many are not interested in mathematics? First, we can find out the interested students. Then we can subtract from the total students. We get the not interested in mathematics students. First, total students equal to 25. Interested students in mathematics equal to 72%. So the interested students in mathematics of percentage means we are taking this. Now we are taking the number of students interested in mathematics is equal to 72% of 25. That is nothing but 72 by 100 into 25. Half means into 100. 25. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Or 5 fives are 25. 5 20s are 100. 5 ones are 5 fours are. 4 ones are 4. 3 is the remainder. 32. 4 8s are 32. So 18 students are interested in mathematics. So number of students not interested in mathematics that is equal to total students minus interested students. That is equal to 25 minus 18 equal to 7 students are not interested in mathematics. If they are asking about the percentage means already we know that 78% students are interested. Then 100 minus 78% are not interested. So that is 72. 100 minus 72% are not interested. How much we are getting? 28. 28% are not getting. If you are converting to percentage for the 7 students means you multiply this 7 into 100 by 7 students. Okay. 7 by total students are 25. We make into that is 25 in 4s are 7 4s are 28. The 28% you can multiply. Okay. The total students are 25. The not interested students are 7. In that case, we are taking not interested by total into 100 by 100, then we make into 28 percentage. Or if they have given in the percentage means from the 100 we are discussing 72 percentage. The remaining are not interested. The next problem, fourth one. A football team, fourth one. A football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40%, then how many matches did they play in all? First, we can take how many matches we don't know. Take the total matches. The total matches equal to X. Okay. In that, own matches, winning matches, own matches, already win. Own matches are 10. What is the percentage of own matches win percentage? Win percentage was 40%. Okay. If total percentage, if the uh, total number of matches are X, okay, X equal to total matches. Total matches equal to winning. Just we can take win the matches, own the matches by total matches equal to own percentage by total percentage. Own percentage is 40, total percentage is 100. Own matches are 10, so cross multiply. So total matches is equal to own matches into 100 by own percentage, winning percentage or win percentage. Percentage means, suppose we are taking it's not 100 means own matches are 10, the percentage is 40 percentage. It is equal to 10 by 40 into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 4 1s are 4, 25s are. So X equal to 25, it is equal to total matches. Total matches. Okay, just we can take total matches 6, that X is equal to own matches by winning percentage or win percentage was, then that is equal to, or if we can take the percentage is 40, then into 100. Okay, if we can take percentage is 40, then we don't take it here 100. If the percentage is in number, then into 100. 10 by 40 percentage is equal to 10 by 40 into 100. Fifth problem. If Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she give in the beginning? We don't know what is the beginning amount. So first we can take the beginning amount of she had. The beginning amount she had, that is equal to X rupees. But we don't know how much money is left, but the left after spending. Okay, she spends money in percentage. It is equal to 75%. Okay, Chameli had left of the money. Chameli had leftover, left after spending. 600 rupees. After spending, the left Chameli had leftover money or left after spending in percentage, that is equal to 100 minus 75 percentage equal to 25 percentage. The leftover money percentage is 25. The leftover money is the 600. We don't know what she has the beginning of the amount money. So we can take the total money. The total money is equal to X equal to leftover money, that is the percentage, the money she had left money after spending. She had 600 rupees left after spending. Okay. The remaining money after spending, remaining money by remaining money percentage. Money in percentage. That is equal to 600 rupees by 25 percentage. It is equal to X equal to 600 by 25 into 100. 25 ones are 25 fours are. It is equal to 400, 400, 6 fours are 24. That is nothing but 2,400 rupees she has in the beginning. After that she spends 75 percentage. Then the left money she had 600 rupees. Therefore, total money in the beginning she had 2,400 rupees. In that 75 percentage means, just you can check out. So 75 percentage of money is 2,400. Did we get 600 or not? That is nothing but 75 by 100 into 2,400. Zeros get cancelled. 75 into 24. 4 5s are 10, 2, 28 means 300. So 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. It is equal to 1800. It's a 1800. 2,400 minus 1800, we are getting 600. Is it? It is correct. The leftover money is correct. Or this is the way. That is nothing but what they are asking, total money. If they are asking total balls or total money or total playing games or total matches, in that case total is equal to remaining money by remaining percentage, spending money by spending percentage. But here they didn't give the spending money, only they have given the remaining money. Chameli had left after spending means this is the remaining money. Remaining money is not equal to the spending percentage. So we can find out the remaining percentage. From that, remaining money by remaining percentage is equal to getting the total money. The last problem, sixth one, if 60% of people in a city like cricket match, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games. Okay. Then what percent of the people like other games? We add these two, football and cricket liking people, then we subtract from the 100% to that cricket and football liking people. percentage, then we get the other people, the people like other game percentage we will get. Next, the total number of people is 50 lakh. Find the exact number who like each of the game. That is nothing but if how many are liking the cricket game equal to percentage. What they have given the percentage of the people like cricket into total. The 60 percentage means 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. In that way we can do it. First we can write down what they have given. The number of, not here, what is the percentage? The people in a city like cricket in percentage. It is equal to 60 percentage. The people in a city like football in percentage, that is equal to 30 percentage. The people in a city like cricket and football in percentage equal to 90 percentage. Okay. Next, the people in a city like other games, that is equal to 100 percentage minus 90 percentage equal to 10 percentage. The other games, the people liking in 10 percentage. Next question. They have given the total number of people. The total number of people in city equal to 50 lakh. In that, we can find out exact number who's like each game. The number of people like cricket equal to 60 percentage of 50 lakh people like the cricket match. Okay. Here it is equal to 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. Two zeros cancel. 6 5s are 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 30 lakh. There are 30 lakh people are liking cricket match. Next, number of people like football, that is equal to 30 percentage of 50 lakh equal to 30 by 100 into 50 lakh. 2 zeros. 3 5s are 15. 15 lakh. Number of people like other games, that is equal to 10 percentage of 50 lakh is equal to 10 by 100 into 50 lakh. 2 zeros. 5 tens are 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lakh. 5 ones are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. It is 5 lakh. So count all these. 30 lakh plus 15 lakh, 45 lakh, 45 lakh plus 5 lakh, 50 lakh. Total number of the peoples will get in the city.